Better wake up and act like nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You set me heavy work, 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 work. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this hair that I have in. It is a VPART wig from UNice Hair Company. I'm going to have like the playlist at the top and all the details going to be down in the description box. But like I said, this is a VPART and the construction of this cap is a lot more breathable for your hair. It has a lot of, it's not a dome cap. You guys are probably already seeing it right now or about to see it, but you can put your fingers through it and it just allows your hair to get some air, okay? Breathable. Okay, anyways, that's what they're marketing for this wig, and it has the standard adjustable crop. Ooh, y'all, I was gonna say craps. My baby got beta crap. Beta crap. Cradle crap, but your girl just can't talk today. So anyways, that's in my head, so that's why I said that. But it has the adjustable straps and the combs and clips. Okay, so when I install my VPART, I only use the clips right here and the combs on the side. I do not use the other 3 clips going towards the VPART. I don't do that because the clips take your hair out. Okay, the longer you wear them, the more it's going to take your hair out. That's just what I believe because it happened to me, okay? And it happened quite a few times because your girl a little hard-headed. So yeah, I just try to use as less clips as possible, okay? So anyways, the texture on this, they said it's curly. I'm gonna check with them again, but to me this is kinky curly. It is super thick. It's 200% density. Hair is very coarse. It's gonna be very high maintenance, so if that's not, you know, what you about, then baby, don't get this wig. Okay, so if you're blending your hair, for me, I had to do an extra step and use like root dye. Sorry, y'all. I had to use root dye just to temporarily dye the ends of my hair. And what I would do if I had more time, and what I would suggest for you guys, is when you're blending your hair, wrap your curls around the hair, and also you might as well just like detangle your hair with the hair so it curls together and then let it dry together. To me, that is what I would do moving forward, but y'all, your girl planned this last minute and I had already put them twists in my head. So I thought I needed more leave out than what I actually did, so I had to go back and put some of my hair back into the wig because you literally don't need a lot. Don't need a lot. So you can do a lot of half ups with this wig, but you guys, I am dealing with postpartum hair loss. Ugh. It is getting very bad, so I'm not even about to let y'all see these edges like by my ears. The hair gone. It's gone. Okay. So if y'all have any tips about postpartum hair loss, leave them down in the comment section because your girl needs it. Okay. I really do need some help and some advice. So if you know any tips, how to regrow them, what to do, if there's anything, let me know. That's really all I have to say. This is gonna be a really quick video. Leave your comment down in the comment section if you tried this wig before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
Better wake up and act like nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You set me heavy work, 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 work. See me do me da 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 da. Saw me put in work, 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 work. Learn, 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 learn. When you are gonna learn.